Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to share a Turo Nightmare that I experienced. It was my beautiful red Mercedes that was amazing. A Turo guest actually booked my car. He seemed like a really cool guy. And unfortunately, he was supposed to return the car. He kept it. He attempted to steal my car. And then, guess what? He gets in an accident. They found out that he's drinking and driving. The car is totaled, absolutely destroyed. But guess what? Through this disaster, I was super irritated, annoyed. I took a breather, like, let me gather myself. I contacted Turo because then Turo contacted me, let me know the situation. I contacted them back and said, where can I pick up my car? So I had to find a location. So I had to pick up the car, and then I found out I couldn't drive because it was totaled. So at that point, I had to have Turo, there's this department called Turo Swoop, I mean. They had to pick up the car and take it to their lot so that they wouldn't be charged any more fees, because once your car's damaged, it's taken to a lot and it was just destroyed. I was irritated, but you know what? It made me actually want to put even more cars on Turo, because the way they took care of it was so professional. They actually not only called me, they walked me through every step of this disastrous process. They paid me out completely. They paid for the car completely. They took care of this. They walked me through, and I felt very comfortable even though this was a disaster. So I have a lot of different videos that go in deep detail on how great Turo is and how much money you can make and strategies, but I don't really talk about a lot of the disasters, because I have a lot more upside than disasters, but I've had my fair share of disasters. But after this disaster, it actually built my conviction even further. Now I actually want to add even more cars to Turo, because you know why? They took care of my car. I trust them even further now, and it's crazy how that works. Sometimes to build trust, you have to go through a disaster. And me going through a disaster, if they didn't take care of the car, this would be a completely different video. This would be a bad review. But instead, this is a good review saying how much I love Turo. And anyone that's thinking about should they trust Turo, I give my 2 cents saying I completely love Turo and I trust them. And they've done wonders for me. But that's just my opinion. I love you guys. I want to share my Turo Nightmare of my beautiful Mercedes that was destroyed and totaled by a drunk driving dude. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carl out.